So how's everyone doing? Rob from RGL Machinery. So I'm just going to go over the basics of how to use a small chipper. So obviously firstly, your chipper needs to be in good order, blades need to be sharp, etc. Needs to be running right. So that's the first step. So your next little tip, when you create your waste pile, always have all the butts, so all the larger bits facing one direction. So then when you're taking them off the top, you don't have to keep turning them around. Generally on these types of chippers as well, you always feed the largest bit in first, so you wouldn't want to put all the smallest little bits in like that. Yeah, you always want to feed your thick material so the chipper blades can pull and drag it in. Don't overload your chipper, there's more chance of it blocking. So just do a few twigs or bits of shrub at a time, and you're less likely to get it blocked. If you start shoving everything down, it's just going to block up and stop. Let it feed itself in, give it a help towards the end. Obviously don't get your hands too far down, you know, if you're getting past your wrist you're starting to get dangerous there. So yeah, once you start doing that, bad news. See, I'd stick with your wrist level. Any further down, you might want to get yourself a block of wood and use that instead. A lot safer. Be mindful where you're chipping it to as well. Before you go shoving the next load in, make sure the majority of the other stuff has been chipped. Yeah, make sure it's clear every time pretty much. Obviously make sure you got safety glasses on, hearing protection, proper PPE and stuff. Get some thick gloves on. Now every chipper is going to be different. This type of chipper is designed for long straight bits of wood. It's not going to take hedge trimmings as such, if you know what I mean. Like if there was like a massive pile of all this sort of stuff, it's going to struggle with that. It needs the long stems to work. There are mulching ones available which is more suited to like leaves and stuff like that. So yeah, make sure you use it for the right application. And yeah, that's pretty much it, pretty much the basics. See, I'm sure I left something out. Feel free to add it down in the comments. Oh, bodily dust. So any questions, let me know. Cheers for watching.